For this video, I chose the case of Hernando versus State of California. It was a Supreme Court decision that involved the due process clause in the 14th Amendment in relation to a grand jury. The information regarding the case was the individual in question, Joe, caught his wife Susie having an affair. He tried everything he could to keep the affair from occurring. He even sent her to her parents' house, and that still did not work. The individual that was a friend of his actually was named Jose, and he assaulted Jose once, and then it went even further and ended up actually killing him. For the actions that he did, Joe Geraldo was tried and convicted of murder, and he was sentenced to death. It went all the way up to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ruled by a 7-1 decision, and I'll quote exactly what they said. The words due process of law in the 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the United States do not necessarily require an indictment by a grand jury and a prosecution by a state for murder. I completely agree with this particular outcome of this case, as if anybody was guilty of murder, regardless if it was a grand jury or not, and the facts specify and state that the individual was guilty of murder, they should be guilty of murder, and in this case, he was sentenced to death.